Sign up for courses and take you some stats.
Yo, we're about to start a meta-analysis with this one. Y'all know what this is? So sick.
Got 15 down here, 50 more on the block. All incredible text with equations that pop. If you could call it a drink, call it math on the rocks. If you could call out some knowledge, let's say I call out a lot. I got like correlation, t-test, and even chi-square. I use stats every day, like I'm combing my hair. I'm mapping stats down nicely with my student T. At a conference with a presentation, populations of samples. You can tell by notation. Now work it all out. It's all in the equation. Cause when I
find a correlation, that's description. Leave regression lines for prediction.
I got a one-way ANOVA. Do you know what that means? That's when I got 3 or more independent levels on the scene. I wouldn't trade it for nothing. Only a crazy fool would. So if you catch me in your class making stats something good, just say,
run that test for me,
What
baby.
you looking at?
Let me see your stats.
Let you see my what?
Yep, your stats. Yep, your stats.
Sign up for courses and take you some stats.
Run the test for me, baby.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your stats.
You wanna see my what?
Yep, your stats. Yeah, your stats.
Got the difference on the top and this error on the bottom. What it do, baby? It's the Statz man, Charlotte Tate. Got my tests hot, something like they radiate. Got my interactions and my main effects all set. Find those eta squares, how much variance you got left. These stats are gleaming, algorithm smooth like oil. Calculus the basis like harvesting from fertile soil. I put my stats where my mouth is and got a grill. Equations on my teeth let you know I'm so for real. My motivation is to educate on every test. Measures of effect, size of how I calculate success. I got them pointers and them lectures that be captivating. But it's the stats that got these on looking spectating. These equations simply certify the total package. Open up your book, you see more symbols than a drum kit. Them stats are mind-blowing, techniques so terrific. Get props to all your stats homies, cause they were so prolific.
Run that test for me,
What
baby.
you looking at?
Let me see your stats.
Let you see my what?
Yep, your stats. Yeah, your stats.
Sign up for courses and take you some stats.
Run the test for me, baby.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your stats.
You wanna see my what?
Yep, your stats. Yeah, your stats.
Got the difference on the top and this error on the bottom.
Got them t-test independent single sample related. So much to keep straight, make you woozy in your head. You can catch us at our laptop screens, rolling out the stats, printing pages by the reams.
This is what we do in the lab with the stats. I your grammar, estimate parameters, get your samples where you can or where I got them. You can spot them on the top and on the bottom. Calculate the effect sizes just so I got them.
I ain't dissing nobody, but let's bring it to the light. Cause you gotta work hard to get stats just right. Yeah, people can't focus cause their eyesight blurry. Trying to rush your stats in a big ol' hurry.
I got 2 different categories, it's a fabulous thing. Goodness of it, independence, it's like cool in the gang. And all 3 ANOVAs, you know that we got them.
Got the difference on the top and this error on the bottom.
Run that test for me,
What
baby.
you looking at?
Let me see your stats.
Let you see my what?
Yep, your stats. Yeah, your stats.
Sign up for courses and take you some stats.
Run the test for me, baby.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your stats.
You wanna see my what?
Yep, your stats. Yeah, your stats.
Got the difference on the top and this error on the bottom.
Hey, how'd you run those tests all day? And what would you say if I told you that my Cohen's D was 0.30? Run that test for me,
What
baby.
you looking at?
Let me see your stats.
Let you see my what?
Yep, your stats. Yeah, your stats.
Sign up for courses and take you some stats.
Run the test for me, baby.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your stats.
You wanna see my what?
Yep, your stats. Yeah, your stats.
Got the difference on the top and this error on the bottom.